to crypto trading? One tap is all you need to grow your crypto investment. With BingX copy trading, you can effortlessly copy the strategies of professional traders, from spot to perpetual futures. There are 2 copy trading modes to choose from, by position ratio or by per order. For position ratio, you set aside an initial amount to copy the trader's account, and your trade size adjusts to match their position ratio. For per order, you set a fixed amount for each trade, regardless of the trader's position size. On the app homepage, tap Copy Trading. Choose Futures or Spot. Select a trader and tap Copy. For position ratio, enter your copy trading funds. For per order, set the margin. Choose between fixed or proportional. Customize your trade by setting Take Profit or Stop Loss. Once you're ready, tap Copy Now. To monitor your positions, go to My Trades. With a simple one-tap setup, it's perfect for beginners. You can connect with over 20,000 elite traders worldwide and evaluate them with more than 20 metrics. Best of all, no upfront fees. Just share a small portion of your profits with the traders you copy from. BingX Copy Trading. Grow your portfolio like a pro today.